benefits of the programme was just basically keeping me on track, because I'd have knocked anybody over for a cigarette on the first couple of months. Well, I find I've got, I do more of my watercolour painting now than I did. When I used to watercolour paint, it used to be when I was in a motorhome, and I brought it into the house, and so I could spend quite a bit of time painting watercolours. No expert, but it certainly occupies hours when you can just lose yourself in what you're doing, and so your mind isn't straying to that cigarette. And plus the fact that saving £80 a month on tobacco allows you to buy a lot more paint and a lot more paper and more shoes, etc, etc, but suddenly you've got sort of 80 to, well, for me it was about £80 a month in tobacco, so I've got that £80 a month to spend on other things. Well, I'd definitely give her the information of getting in touch with the cessation group. So yeah, just get there and go with them if necessary, you know, to be a support to them. But yeah. Oh, definitely, 100%. And yeah, I certainly recommend you get that sort of help. Well, without her, I wouldn't have done it. Without going there, I certainly wouldn't have done it. I'd have just plodded on, choking and coughing. Even my dog stopped coughing now. So, yeah.